Welcome to my channel Technical Smart. Hi friends, in this video we are talking about all features of newly launched Oppo A53. If you are first time watching my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on bell icon. Let's start. First, talking about display, it supports 6.5-inch HD plus punch hole display with 1600 into 720 pixels resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 chipset with octa-core processor. With software front, it runs with Android 10 operating system, and the network connectivity option in this phone is 4G. It packs with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and further expandable up to 256GB. Coming to the cameras, it packs triple rear cameras at the back. This includes a 13-megapixel primary camera, 2-megapixel macro lens, 2-megapixel depth sensor. With LED flash, along with that, smartphone comes with 16-megapixel front camera. Here you can see fingerprint scanner at back. It comes with electric black and fancy blue colors. Talking about its battery, it comes with 5000 mAH battery with 18 watts fast charging support. It weighs around 186 grams. And talking about price, 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage at 12,700 rupees. It is already launched in Indonesia. Also, it will be launched in India on 25th August at 12:30 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe channel and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.